माय चैनल, दिस इज अलीना मिर्जा एंड आई एम बैक विद अ न्यू व्लॉग। सो ये एक बहुत ही रैंडम व्लॉग है जिसमें मेरे साथ मेरी सबसे छोटी बहन है, इसका नाम है सना। आई होप आप इसे जानते हो। सो ये जो है ये मेरे पास है हैव अ कॉन्वो कार्ड्स, और ये गेम है जो मैंने खुद से बनाया है और फिर मैंने खुद क्वेश्चंस लिखे हैं सब कुछ। सना कैन ओपन इट प्लीज। एंड आई आल्सो डिजाइन द होल लुक ऑफ इट, वेरी एलिगेंट। सो टुडे हम लोग पार्टी चल रही थी हमारी, फ्राइज वगैरह पिज्ज़ा वगैरह मंगाया, तो मैंने सोचा चलो बैठ के ना एक फूड ईटिंग पॉडकास्ट कर लेते हैं। फूड ईटिंग पॉडकास्ट सही है नाम? डजंट लुक वियर्ड ना? ओह टेक द फ्राइज। ओके, तो हम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स खेल रहे हैं इसमें। छोटा सा ब्लॉग बनाएंगे, ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं। ओके, लेट्स जस्ट टेक 10 क्वेश्चन मैक्स। Okay, so your question is, if you could live in a fictional world from a book or movie, which one would it be and why? Ouch.
From a movie or a book, it can be both.
It can be anything. You can also answer in the comments these
I would
questions.
choose, I guess, Enola Holmes.
Enola Holmes?
Yeah.
Okay.
That is because, the hero in that movie is one of my celebrity crushes.
Oh.
And
you don't have to give a bhashan. We don't have like a lot of time.
Yeah,
Just be very specific.
And also because I want to follow, murders and all detective stuff. So
Oh.
that's Enola Holmes.
You take my question?
Oh, sorry.
Ask me a question now.
What's a goal or aspiration you have for the next year?
It's an unreal goal, but I just want to be rich enough to buy a BTS concert ticket. You never know. Maybe my YouTube channel,
Yeah.
Please guys,
Yeah, your turn.
please help me reach the goal.
Your turn.
Okay, my turn. निकाल के तो मेरे हाथ में हो गया. What's your favorite way to relax and unwind after a long day?
Sleep.
Sleep is your favorite way to relax? No,
Yeah.
that's your
Or
role.
read a book. Acha role.
Oh, that's a roll. That's a aloo roll.
Wow.
Okay, I think it's your turn or my turn.
Yeah, I have to ask.
So you have to ask. So ask.
If you could have dinner with any historical figure, who would it be and why? That's a good.
Not a present one.
Historical, nothing historical.
Lady Diana.
Oh,
I
good
just love Lady Diana.
Nice.
I don't think so I need to tell you the reason.
Oh,
I think she's very inspirational woman, and
yeah.
I want to talk to her about her views and thoughts on so many things. So I think that's going to be like a super good conversation.
Good girl.
I think I am also like Lady Diana. Why are you laughing? I'm like very serious about it.
Okay, my question.
Hmm.
My question.
Oh. What's the most adventurous thing you have ever done?
So, लंबी कहानी है। वो एक कोई दूसरा पूछ लो। Yeah, question.
No. You have to answer. Whatever. No, you have to
मैं
answer.
जल्दी बोल रही हूँ। तो हम एक बार राइड पे गए थे, वो जो एक स्लाइड नहीं होती है, मैं उसके अंदर गई और जब मैं बिल्कुल नीचे तक पहुंची तब मुझे पता चला कि नीचे जो है वो पूरा उसमें लाइक पानी भर रखा है। अगर मैं पूरी स्लाइड हो जाती तो मैं उसके अंदर जाती सीधा कीचड़ में। तो मैं स्लाइड के पीछे मुड़ के से वापस गई हूँ और मेरी चप्पल भी जो है गिर गई थी उसमें। So that was one of the kind of adventure.
That's more like embarrassing moment, but okay.
No, I saved from being embarrassed
Okay, your turn.
by this adventure.
Your turn.
यार इसे पकड़ना बड़ा मुश्किल हो गया।
हमारे हाथ गंदे ना, ये फूड वाला प्लेट अच्छा नहीं था।
हाँ, exactly.
और either should be like that kind of fruits ना, that or anything that we are having with spoon or
What's a
fork.
small act of kindness you have experienced that you'll never forget?
Small act of kindness.
Yeah.
No one has ever been so kind to me. I am the kindest
biggest
person
liar.
to me ever, only. So I don't think so I have a kind
Okay, share an
association with
experience
anyone.
of kindness that you did for someone.
lot of.
Like done.
Like I just order food for you.
For us.
Oh, hello. But
I
okay,
could have made Maggi.
okay, I'm kind to myself as well. So for me too, and for you too. So I think that's kind enough, right?
So you think none like
No.
nobody
I think
in this world
no.
has ever made
No.
like brought something
My
for you?
sisters are very kind. They used to make tea for me. They used to, whatever I say, they used to do it. थोड़ा सा ड्रामा करती है बट कर देती है काम. So I think they are very underrated girls. Such sisters, yeah, I think such sisters are a gem. And I will make a separate vlog for the praise of my sisters, especially the little
Exactly.
ones.
This
because-
should be the answer.
Yeah, that's true. I'm not saying it for the sake of camera. I'm really genuinely saying from the bottom of my heart.
Thank you. Happy buddy.
Oh. यार मेरे कार्ड्स गंदे ना हो जाए हमारे हाथों की वजह से. If you could have any job in the world, okay? If you could have any job in the world for 1 week, what would it be and why?
Detective or like a prosecutor, because I want to solve a murder mystery once in a lifetime. And my motivation and inspiration is Pippa to Murder.
कौन? Who is your inspiration?
It's a book with Girls Guide to Murder.
नहीं, who's your inspiration?
Pippa.
Pippa.
It's the main character of that.
What kind of name is
Haven't
Pippa?
You haven't heard of the series?
No.
Even there's a movie on that.
Baby, your turn.
Played by Wednesday's best friend.
Keep one of your hand nice. Don't spoil both of your hand. Okay.
What's a talent or skill you wish you could teach others?
I think lot of things. I think I'm super talented.
But
But is it wrong? Tell me honestly. Is it wrong?
Answer.
No, you tell me first honestly. Whatever I said, is it wrong?
What?
That I have like a lot of skills that I can teach to people.
That's not the question, I guess.
No, you were laughing, na? That you are
No,
gonna say
I
that.
mean it's a type of question you could.
Yeah, but I want to ask you whether I'm wrong or right. What do you think?
You're right.
I have like a lot of skills that I can teach.
Yeah.
I can teach life lessons. I can give a good gyan. I can let people find their light in life. I can be a motivational speaker to a lot of people. I can make them learn different languages, whatever I have learned. Not too perfectly, but whatever I have, knowledge about it, I can teach. Then I can teach you how to play badminton, cricket, and throw ball. I'm a throw ball champion. I can also teach you basketball. I can teach you how to ride a scooty. I can teach you how to play a guitar, though it's not perfect, but yeah, I can make you play guitar. And I can teach you how to sing. Should I?
No. Please no.
ना मारेगी दीवानगी मेरी,
Next question.
ना मारेगी आवारगी
Next question.
कि मारेगी ज्यादा
I think
मुझे
should have a bit
मौत
more
से,
cheesy or new or something, right?
नाराजगी तेरी
Alright, don't you think?
जान सार है, जान सार तेरे प्यार पे मेरे यार. तेरे लिए गाना. Oh, it's so stupid यार. This girl she's not even enjoying. मेरे लिए कोई गाना गाए यार, मैं तो उसे देखती रहूं हर वक्त.
Great. मैं भूल में गए. मैं कहीं किसने कोई चीज नहीं होती थी, like कोई new होगी.
That's a bit rough.
Rough. Bland.
Bland, sorry.
Okay, next question. आपकी बारी.
मेरी बारी. If you could travel back in time and give your younger self one piece of advice, what would it be? You're still younger to give advice. But
Still, I'm a teenager. I can give advice to like my.
Yeah,
Yeah.
do it.
I think my advice would be. Let me say.
I think that's a bad idea ना food के साथ बातें करना. Sorry guys, गलतियाँ इंसान से होती है. Forgive me for this sin.
My advice to my younger self would be: do not take.
Nothing.
What?
Go ahead.
What did you say?
You said do not acid disturb.
God, blame you. So I would give advice to my younger self that do not put too much effort. Like, do not overstress yourself. And position, all this study and all that. This doesn't matter. Academic, academic stress doesn't matter. Especially till 8th class, you don't have to do that. So if I could go back, I would not study at all.
And I think even when you are elder, I
enjoy
don't,
more.
Yeah,
Like, enjoy life more.
make memories in life. Even I
Yeah.
was like a studious student, and I used to like study all the time,
Yeah.
which was good because when you are into a certain thing that you are
Yeah.
then you get saved from like a lot of other things. Okay, but still, I think I used to take a lot of stress, but now I think I am
It was so useless.
wise enough to know that making memories are better than taking any kind of stress of studies and all
Yeah.
that, because you never know what you can be in life. It's all
कितनी चालाक है ना, आपने यहीं से पढ़ लिया.
because my heart was okay. I'll be cut it into 2 parts. Okay, we'll
What's-
shoot an intro later.
Yeah.
I'll shoot an intro later for this.
What is the best piece of ये तो हो गया. हो गया.
Are you repeating this? Take it
आपने-
from here.
हाँ, यहीं से लिया था मैंने. यही क्वेश्चन आया है. वो आपने मुझे
How can
दिया.
this be possible?
Describe a person who has had a significant impact on your life. Deep question, very deep.
I don't have a real life person that have like a significant impact on my life, but I think BTS is a K-pop band which has a significant impact in my life, and that's not a funny answer because whenever I name BTS in a serious situation, people think it's funny. Not everyone, but like most of the people think that I'm just trying to joke around and anything. But I think the vibe that group has, the people of that group has, is commendable. It's magical, and they're like super healing. They are so positive. They have like positive vibes. So I think they're like super impactful in my life.
I agree. Next question.
Okay, if you could speak any language fluently, which one would you choose and why? Where are you offering?
No, I think Spanish because a lot of my
El Niña.
celebrity crushes.
What?
A lot of my celebrity
Crushes are Spain, from Spain. Oh.
So I could understand what they're saying.
Chocolate. Chocolate.
That's all you
Español.
Vamos.
Vamos. Oh. Buenos dias. Buenos dias.
Noches.
Noches? Yeah, good night. Buenos noches. Oh, that's nice. Even I started learning Spanish long time back.
Yeah, I remember.
Spanish is a cute language, I think. It's very sassy. Okay, your
The
turn.
accent
Your
is
turn,
the
baby.
real-
Your turn, baby. Your turn.
The accent is the real task.
Yeah, I think Spanish accent is so cool.
If you could only keep 5 possessions, what would they be?
5
Yeah.
possessions. That means materialistic things. Only materialistic things you're talking about, right?
Yeah, I think.
Possessions are that only, no? Okay, so if I have to keep 5 materialistic possessions, I would say to survive or just something that I like.
I don't know. You
Just
have
give me-
You
just-
have made this game. Why are
You can improvise the question, maybe.
Yeah.
It's your question, you can improvise the way you want to.
To survive.
To survive. Oh, that's difficult. Materialistic possessions to survive on an island.
ये तो पूरा अलग ही हो गया क्वेश्चन से. हाँ, यही बोल दो.
Because पता है why I asked this? Because I have to survive. तो उसके हिसाब से I have to think about those possessions that are important. Or otherwise, if just materialistic possessions, then I can choose free.
Yeah, let's just do materialistic. That question is really,
Yeah, very
Thoughtful.
thoughtful. I don't want to think a lot. Anyway, so I think my favorite 5 materialistic possession is my phone. Okay, I'm not gonna be saying charger and earphone and all that. It all
Understood.
comes with the phone only. Then second materialistic possession is my skincare makeup kit, because you know I can do it and it's like super heating therapy. Then the third materialistic possession, good clothes. You know I like to dress up a lot. मुझे बहुत अच्छा सुंदर दिखना बहुत पसंद है और
What
सुंदर
kind of dresses?
एवरी काइंड ऑफ ड्रेस. आई लव एवरी काइंड ऑफ ड्रेस. मुझे सब कुछ पहनने का मन करता है और आई एम नॉट मटीरियलिस्टिक, सो इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू थिंक. या आई एम नॉट मटीरियलिस्टिक
It's
एट
not
ऑल.
materialistic.
Yeah, but it's difficult to think now. What should I possessions? What more I can give me some ideas? I'm out of ideas. What materialistic possessions I can? Food? Is food come under materialistic possession?
I don't
Lot of food, junk food.
ये बहुत ही अलग हो गया है क्वेश्चन. Let's move forward.
And my hair straightening kit or hair care kit, because I love to look good. That's it. Oh my god. What's something you're grateful for today? I know you're grateful for me, but say something else. I think this side is looking nice, not this.
I'm grateful every day to be able to wake the next day.
Don't give us intellectual answers. And you have something. You want to do that scene?
Yeah, that's my answer.
You're
grateful for
grateful that you're
everything.
waking every day.
I'm grateful for this food,
Shelter.
everything.
Okay, fine. She's grateful for everything, which is good. We all should be grateful
All
for
organs that I have.
organs. Yeah. Good. Okay, next.
Too much to be grateful for.
Yeah. That definitely. I think I'm grateful for water. Water is an asset. Also I'm grateful for my good brain.
Very well.
I love my brain. I think my brain is better than my physical features, but still I'm like blessed with both, alhamdulillah, and I think everyone is. They just it's just your choice to use it or not.
Are you done yapping?
No.
Should I continue?
I'm grateful for yapping as well. I love yapping.
Question. What is a lesson you have learned from a difficult experience?
I have learned a lot of lessons in life, dude. What one lesson I could give it,
Like
right
the
now.
most?
Even I have this Instagram story session daily. I'm like putting questions on Instagram, and I'm gonna be answering people's questions. So that's a very nice way of knowing different people and their opinions and everything. So basically, I started this to make a podcast on YouTube only. So that's I'm gonna be like starting the podcast series super soon. So it's already been started. The work behind this have already been started. So yeah, what was my question? मैं अपने रोड से भटक गए ना.
I forgot.
I'm so funny, baby.
Difficult experience.
Life lesson. I think the life lesson that the life.
क्या है आपको? कहाँ इंसान हो जाता है?
मेरे तो नहीं हुआ.
I get irritated someone to do this and all.
अभी तक मैंने रोमांटिकली किया भी नहीं था ये.
नहीं. It's generally like obviously मैं खा रही हूँ लग जाएगी भाई खाने की बात कर लेंगे पूछ लेंगे.
Okay, I don't know why I'm laughing. Okay, so life lesson. There are like a lot of life lessons, but if I have to just give one right now, I would say do not trust anybody in this world. Everyone is selfish. Okay, everyone is selfish. Even your closest people are selfish. They're just good to you for a reason, for a specific reason. When that
One thing
reason
I
will
would like
vanish
to
away,
add on.
then that person also,
One thing I would like to add on. If you believe that every person is selfish and you shouldn't trust anyone, count yourself as well. You are
Yeah.
one of them as well.
I am, but that was my life lesson. I know I am. You can trust me. Anyone can trust me. I'm giving an open challenge here.
Exactly.
I am the
Just because
person
you think
anyone
is-
can trust blindfolded. That's
There are
what I
many
know about
people
myself.
like you as well. So you can't just say everyone is
But that's my opinion, na? That's my opinion. I'm not saying everyone should be like this. Maybe there are good people also that you can trust. And I can definitely assume it through my personality and maybe your personality as well. I think you are also trustworthy. And I think all of my sisters are very innocent and trustworthy. But
That's why it doesn't make sense.
no, but I'm saying that a lot of people, because we are like super close to each other. But मैं ये कह रही हूँ कि चलो बहुत ज़्यादा super close को फिर भी आप trust कर लीजिए, but still I think everyone is there around you for a specific reason or a, you know, yeah.
चलो मेरी बारी. यार आपने इतना सिखाया मैं सारा खान गई इतनी देर में.
यार मेरे से पता नहीं मेरी I am a slow eater. I don't know what's wrong with me. Okay, go ahead. Okay. If you could meet your future self,
पास है फ्यूचर सर.
इतना अच्छे क्वेश्चन बनाया मैंने.
हाँ.
What would you ask? मैं तो बहुत कुछ पूछूं. अभी तक मैंने किम टाइम से शादी कर ली कि नहीं? क्या मैंने BTS का कॉन्सर्ट अटेंड कर लिया? क्या मैं सुंदर और हूँ या बेकार हूँ?
Yeah, like you have to attend BTS concert. I will ask, have I attended, F1?
Oh, effort days and all
Yeah.
that. So you wanna be like asking
I
this
want
kind of
to meet every driver personally.
do you wanna ask your future? Do you wanna ask your future self? Am I successful in life,
Yeah, exactly.
or am I a failure?
Yeah.
Do you wanna ask this?
Yeah.
What is failure to you? That's my personal question.
The mood.
Eat. भंगड़ा पाले आजा भंगड़ा पाले.
Huh. My definition of failure is being unable to reach one's full potential,
Okay.
and failure
I think
doesn't
I'm done
mean,
with
you know,
this. I can't just right. How are you just? Sorry.
Yeah, I'm just surprised you haven't eaten.
Okay, continue.
Yeah.
Continue.
So yeah, I think it's very important to be successful in your own eyes, and if you're not able to do that, then that's failure. Yeah, if you're not able to keep yourself happy,
Can I also answer this question?
Yeah.
Because it's a nice question. I like it. So I think for me, failure is if you are if you don't understand, complex situation. If you don't know how to deal with complex situations, it's not about being not rich or being at a certain stage of your life where you're like nothing in terms of money or anything. But I think mentally, if you're strong, then you're successful, and if you're not mentally strong, then that's a failure. I think everything is connected with your brain and your mind. Even if your mental health is good, then your physical health will rise, and if your mental health is bad, then your physical health will deteriorate also. So everything is about brain. So
Well
keep your
prepared
brain
question.
healthy. Huh?
well prepared question.
I don't know. I've never prepared any answers. मैं जब अपने आप के answers देखती हूँ तो I was like, oh my god, some बड़े लोग हाँ पता नहीं मेरे को ना ऐसे भाषण करते करते ना आदत हो गई लाइफ बोलते बोलते ना कि अच्छे आंसर्स करने की.
वो कहते हैं कि
पता नहीं मैं कुछ बहुत ज्यादा डीप सोचने लगी हूँ. I don't know why.
आपने
I'm so sorry.
क्वेश्चन मेरे सामने रखो मैं पढ़ लूँगी.
Oh yeah.
हाथ
Even my hands are not good.
अच्छा, मैं बोल रही हूँ. If you could live in any era of history, which one would you choose and why?
I think I would choose this era only.
No, please.
Yeah. I would choose this one only because I'm
Okay,
most
for
aware
one
of this.
week. For 1 week.
This one only. I want to live in this era only because this era is the era of BTS legends. So yeah. Okay, next. I want to be close to the age of Kim Tae-young at any cost. What are you doing? वो अलग से जाके चाट रही है पेपर को.
Yeah.
के पैकेट को ऐसे चाटती थी, वो भी रिक्शा में बैठ के।
मैं बाहर खाती थी, घर में बोले चिप्स का रैपर लेके आती थी, मैं घर में चाटती थी।
और कभी कभार मैं भी ऐसे करती थी जब मेरे को बहुत एम्बैरेसमेंट होती थी, बट फिर मेरे को आदत हो गई थी तो मुझे इतना एम्बैरेसमेंट नहीं फील होता था। मुझे लगता था यार मेरी लाइफ है, मैं कुछ भी करूँ। ओके, मेरी चांस है। इफ यू कुड ओनली ईट वन मील फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ, व्हाट वुड इट बी?
I think biryani. I don't think I can ever get
Bored with biryani.
Yeah.
You know, even I used to think
It's
that
like all
I
time
am not
biryani.
gonna be getting fed up of eating chips. कितने भी खिला लो chips,
But
chips,
there
but
is a
नहीं,
limit.
there's a limit to everything.
Especially the sweet things, you can't eat much. Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. मेरी है तुम्हारी है? तो तुम्हारी है तो अच्छा मैं ही करूँगी तुम्हारा भी।
मैं पढ़
Okay,
लूँगी.
okay.
If you could live anywhere in the world for a year, where would it be and why?
South Korea, South Korea. I wanna go South Korea, South Korea.
Yeah, we got it, we got
South Korea. पता है मैंने कहीं पे पढ़ा है कि अगर कोई कंट्री आपके दिमाग में बस गई है, that means वहाँ पे कोई आपका वेट कर रहा है।
हाय वाह मुझे भी
Yeah,
जाना
just
है.
imagine if
UK
I not get married to a Korean, then everyone will make fun of me. ये तो बड़ा कोरियन करती थी, इससे तो कुछ मिले नहीं।
चलो think positive.
That was just a joke, by the way. I just want a good person. That's it.
You.
If you could change one thing about the world, what would it be and why?
Yeah, there's so much to change.
Change something. सना एक काम करते हैं. Let's change the location for some time. तुम्हारे पास भी थोड़ा सा टाइम रह गया, हाथ वाथ धो के आते हैं आराम से
Yeah,
बैठ के,
yeah.
बस थोड़े बहुत
Good
क्वेश्चन
idea.
रह गए, नहीं कंप्लीट ही कर लेते हैं, है ना? अब यहाँ पे बैठ के ना मैं थक गई हूँ.
as well.
Yeah, even I'm done with the food now. Let's. ओके गाइस, सो ये सेगमेंट मैंने बहुत ही छोटा रखने की कोशिश करी थी, बट ये बहुत क्योंकि Q&A सेगमेंट था तो बहुत बड़ा हो गया है, तो पहले मैंने सोचा इसको पार्ट्स में कर दूंगी, फिर मुझे लगता है कि एक कंसिस्टेंसी ख़राब हो जाती है, दैट्स वाई मैंने ये बड़ा सा एक ब्लॉग बना दिया अगेन। सो आई होप कि आप लोग जिन्हें पसंद आ रहा हो देख लें, अदरवाइज़ आई बी में इसका पार्ट 2 भी है वैसे। पार्ट 2 को मैं कोशिश करूँगी, आई बी कट इट इनटू पार्ट 3 एंड पार्ट 4 लाइक दैट ओनली। तो ये एक बहुत बड़ा बन गया है। सो बट एनी वे दैट वॉज अ फन Q&A सेगमेंट, और मुझे लगता है ऐसे Q&A सेगमेंट करते रहना चाहिए बिकॉज इट्स गुड। सो या थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग द व्लॉग। आई होप यू गाइज लाइक इट। प्लीज डू लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट, सब्सक्राइब एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन for more notifications. I'll be back with new videos super soon, and you will get